And there was an article published in the Reader's Digest, Almanac, Yearbook 1984. And it was reprinted in the Plain Truth magazine, which showed the statistics of the increase of the major world religions in the span of 50 years, from 1934 to 1984. And number one religion was Islam, which increased by 235%. Christianity, only 47%. Which war took place between 1934 to 1984, which forced millions of people to accept Islam? Which war? Today, the fastest growing religion in America is Islam. The fastest growing religion in Europe is Islam. Who is forcing these American and European people to accept Islam? Which sword? The media says that Islam subjugates the women. You know, out of the people accepting Islam, 2/3 of them are women. Who is forcing these American and European women to accept Islam? And the media says that war on terror, war for peace. It is not war for peace, it is war on peace. It is war on the religion of peace. It is war on Islam. And after 9/11, in a span of 10 months alone, 34,000 Americans accepted Islam. According to Yuan Redley, in the span of 9 months alone, 22,000 Europeans accepted Islam. How much ever they're trying to suppress Islam, Islam is growing at a phenomenal rate.